Assalamu alaikum, class 5. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. At class 5, as you know, you have dictation competition today. So during dictation, your cameras should be on. Okay? Let's start today's lecture that is about letter writing. You have already done email writing. I told you about informal and formal email, if you remember. And today we are going to do letter writing. Got it? What is a letter? Can anyone tell me? What is a letter? Manahid, I'm going to ask you, what is a letter? Unmute your mic, beta. Manahid, unmute your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What is a letter?
टीचर अगर हमें किसी को कोई मैसेज
बताइए
भेजना हो
बेटा।
तो हम उसे एक लेटर लिख देते हैं।
Okay. Letter is a written communication. Its proper definition is letter is a way of communication. It is actually written communication. Okay.
टीचर
As you can see on the screen, it is a way of communication. It is actually a written communication. Clear? As I told you in lecture when you were doing email writing, in that lecture I told you that there are two types of email. So in the same way, there are two types of letters. Clear? One is formal and second is informal. One is formal letter and second is informal. Formal letter is written to authorities. It is written to principal. It is written for offices, right? And informal letter is written, you can write informal letter to your friends, to your relatives. Clear? So this is the difference between formal and informal. Informal letter is written to relatives, friends, etc. And formal letter is written to authorities. It is written for offices, in school. When you have to write a letter for school, then that will be called informal letter if you have to send it into office. Clear? So I have told you two things, keep it in your mind, that letter is a way of communication. It is a written communication. And number two, I have told you types of letter writing: formal letter, informal letter. Right? I'm repeating that informal letter is written to relatives or friends, and formal letter is written to offices, authorities, etc. Clear? Yashad, are you listening to me? There are parts of letter. As you can see on the screen, there are parts of letter. First is heading, where you write. Yashad, please don't do this. Remove this emoji. Okay, first one is heading. Heading is actually where you write examination hall. Let me ask you. Yashad, unmute your mic. Manahid, unmute your mic.
Yes, teacher.
How do you start letter? Do you remember how do you start letter?
Teacher, first we write our city, date, and month.
Okay, when you are writing a letter, you have to follow board pattern, right? In board pattern,
Yes.
first of all, you will start with examination hall. Do you remember that you start from here?
Yes.
Examination hall,
City ABC.
city ABC, and then
Date.
and then good, fine. Examination hall,
And
examination hall, city ABC, and then date. Okay, fine. Thank you, Manahid. Okay, this is the first part. This is the first part, that is called heading. Right? Second part is greeting. Zainab, I'm going to ask you, what is greeting? Yes, Zainab.
teacher, our dictation नहीं थी.
Yes, after 10 minutes. Beta, I will be taking your dictation after 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, what is greeting?
Greeting.
Greeting, yes.
Greeting. टीचर ग्रीटिंग उसे कहते हैं कि जो हमारा वे है, जैसे हम लोग उसे हेलो कहते हैं.
Yes, exactly. How do you address to whom you are writing letter? How do you address that person? For example, if you are writing a letter uh, in office, then you will say respected ma'am, right? Or respected sir. You will use this word, respected ma'am or respected sir. If you are writing a letter to your friend, then you can write my dear friend, or after my dear, you can write friend's name. Instead of writing friend, you can write friend's name. Clear? So this is called greeting. Okay, I'm repeating that greeting is the way how do you address that person. Clear? For example, if you are writing formal letter, then you will write respected ma'am or respected sir. Or if you are writing informal letter, then you can address your friend or relative or cousin, like my dear friend, my dear cousin, or my dear uncle, etc. Have you got? Next part is, third part is body. Body is the main part of the letter, in which you write about what you are going to ask them or what you are going to tell them, what are the details. Clear? So all the details you write in this part, third part, that is called body. Have you got? And the fourth part is closing. What is closing? Who will tell me? Okay, Yashad is there. Yashad, unmute your mic, beta. Yashad, are you listening to me? Unmute your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yashad, what is closing?
Closing not चला है.
At the end of, okay, I'm going to tell you. At the end of the letter, when you say my salam to all family members, have you got? When at the end of the letter, before signature, you say that say my salam to all family members, or say my salam to parents, or say my salam to your parents, etc. So that is called closing. Clear? Closing is fourth part of letter. It is before signature when you say that say my salam to all. And after that you write yours sincerely, your friend, yours truly. Clear? So these two parts are included in closing. Have you got? And the last one is signature, where you write your name. Have you got? Signature is the last part of the letter, and here you write your name. Okay, I have told you 5 parts of a letter. I'm going to repeat it. I have told you 5 parts of a letter. Heading, where you write examination hall, city, ABC, and you mention date. Greeting, how do you address the person? If it is formal letter, then respected ma'am or sir. If it is informal, then dear friend or dear cousin or dear uncle, etc. In body, you tell all the details. What are you going to write about? ठीक है, किस बारे में लिखना है? And in closing, you can use these words: yours truly, yours sincerely, or when you end when you are about to end the letter, you write there say my salam to all. And signature is the last part of the letter, and in last part of the letter you write your name. That is called signature. Okay, this is all about parts of letter. Clear? Okay, students, get ready for dictation. I am giving you 2 minutes. Revise dictation. And after that, after 2 minutes, I will be taking dictation. Okay, students, are you getting me? Turn on cameras, please. Students, I'm giving you 2 minutes to revise dictation, and after 2 or 3 minutes, I will be taking dictation.